assisted pull-up. I weigh about 116 right now, so let's just say I couldn't do a pull-up. I'm gonna put it on 70 pounds. Some gyms have it where you step on it. This one looks like it just goes on your knee, and you can also take this down like this. This is my favorite one right here. It's the same thing as a pull-up. You want to go all the way down. This is actually too light. Here's that look. Like it's just, that's too light. So let's go 40 pounds. Semi-wide grip. Normally I would have my grips on. So you want to go all the way down and stretch your scapula, stretch your lats. And when you pull up, you want to pull, squeeze your shoulder blades together, chest stays high. Like this. Wide. This will work your lats more, rear delts. A little bit wider. I'm going really slow. Now, here's what you don't want. Over this in the freeform pull-up, here's what you don't want. You don't want to try to muscle this up with your biceps like this. See how I'm getting into anterior rotation? See that? Do you see that? Can you see that? Watch my shoulder. See how I'm pulling forward versus big difference there.